everyone. So our topic is all about transformative education. So transformative education is defined as the process of encouraging students to change from being receptacles of knowledge to more meaningful learning through considering different viewpoints and questioning their own beliefs, values, and assumptions. And it is called transformative learning. So, ang transformative education daw is mauning process para ang student is mag-change from being poor sa knowledge into actively engage in learning. So, for example, ang student is nakasagap og information pero wala siya deeper understanding ato. So, the student receive information without questioning or analyzing it. So, by the process of transformative education, so word pa lang nga transform, is i-transform niya ang student to have a deeper meaning, to have a deeper understanding, or na ginapa-broad pa niya ang information. Like ang student is ma-encourage to ask some questions, and they will think critically to apply what they've learned sa information. So let's proceed sa purpose. So, the purpose of transformative education is to empower learners to see the social world differently and through an ethical lens so that they will challenge and change the status of quo as agents of change. So, learners develop a deeper understanding of social issues, and sa ilahang role as learners is makakreate sila positive changes in our society. So, by framing transformative learning, educators can help learners become active participants and shape as more just and equitable society. So, according kay Jacques Mézereau's transformative learning theory, so, according to Mézereau's, transformative learning is an orientation which holds that the learners interpret and reinterpret their sense. Experience is central to making meaning and hence learning. So, in other words, it is the idea that learners who are getting new information are also evaluating their past ideas and understanding, and are shifting their very worldview as they obtain new information and through